So, hi everyone. We'll be exploring Ashtanga Yoga Flow. We have mountain pose, upward salute, standing forward fold, standing half forward bend, four-limb staff pose, upward facing dog, and lastly downward facing dog. So the benefits of mountain pose is energizing, improves posture, creates space in the spinal column, and strengthens our ankles. And it can also relieve our symptoms of mild depression. So next is upward salute yoga pose. All you need to do is to stand up with your feet together and your arms by your side. Rotate your arms so that the palms face away from the torso. Inhale and bring your arms up and overhead. So next is standing forward fold. The benefits of standing forward fold is to stretch the back of our legs, hips, and spine. This strengthens the legs, thighs, and knees. This balances the nervous system, calms the mind, improves digestion, stimulates the liver and kidneys. This is standing half forward pose. Stand with your feet together, engage your quadriceps to lift your kneecaps and lengthen your tailbone to the floor. Inhale and raise your arms overhead. Exhale and hinge forward from your hips, keeping your spine long. So next is four-limb staff pose. Begin in a plank position with the shoulders over your wrist. Shift your weight forward onto your toes. Your shoulders will move in front of your wrists as you do this. Soften your elbows slightly to open your chest. Pull your shoulders back. So next is the upward facing dog. Lie on your yoga mat in the prone position. Lie face down on your stomach with your feet about a hip width apart. Next is the downward facing dog. Keep your arms straight and vertical under your shoulders. Spread your fingers and let your index finger point forward. The benefits of these yoga poses is to improve your flexibility, builds strength, improves sleep, posture, stress management, yoga for flexibility, pain relief. Yoga can also reduce inflammation, body awareness, boost immunity, boost self-esteem, breathing, enhancing fitness, improve your concentration. Benefits of doing mountain yoga pose is to improve your posture, improve your breathing, stretching your muscles comfortably, focuses your mind, balance your emotions, enhance your concentration. The benefits of upward salute pose. It tones the thighs, improves digestion, and helps to relieve anxiety. And it can also help to create a space in the chest and lungs, which is for asthma and congestion. So next, we have standing forward fold pose. The benefits of doing standing forward fold pose is to boost our blood circulation, makes your tired muscle relax, balance your emotions, calms your mind. Next is the standing forward fold pose. The benefits of doing standing forward fold pose is to improve our body awareness and balance. As a calming and relaxing pose, it can help you manage stress as it activates the relaxation response to your body. So, we'll be continuing to upward facing dog. Upward facing dog is good because this exercise is to extend your spine and hips, stretching the muscles on the front side of your trunk and hips. The upward facing dog pose is a strengthening yoga posture that opens the chest and lungs and strengthens the entire body. So next is the downward facing dog pose. This strengthens the upper body, The stabilizing position of downward dog strengthens muscles in the arms, upper back, and shoulders. This strengthens hands, wrists, and fingers, opens up the back of the legs, and to improve circulation. So lastly, we have forelimb staff pose. The benefits of doing forelimb staff pose is to strengthen the deep muscles in the lower trunk that stabilize the spine, including the deep core muscle. It can also develop awareness of ischial extension. All of these elements together contribute to be better posture.